In this module, I'm going to show you how the 30% investment tax credit works. The first thing you need to know is the 30% investment tax credit is based on the total solar system cost. So if you purchase a solar system for $100,000, 30% of that would be $30,000. That would be an IRS tax credit at the IRS. Now, the most important part of the 30% investment tax credit is to understand that you do not get this money back if you're not paying income taxes. It is a non-refundable tax credit. If you are paying income taxes, the money will be refunded back to you. And that's how the 30% investment tax credit works. In the next modules, I will share 3 examples of how the 30% tax credit would apply to different types of homeowners.